Rooted in Shandong, we manufacture for the world. Welcome to Jaya CNC Router Shandong Co., Ltd. We specialize in full-series CNC stone machinery R&D and production. With self-controlled whole industrial chain and independent gantry milling for machine beds, we supply high-precision, durable CNC equipment for stone factories worldwide. Machine precision originates from rigid machine beds. Jaya owns an independent heavy-duty processing workshop with full self-controlled production procedures to guarantee machine rigidity and long-term anti-deformation performance. Step 1. CNC blanking, bending, and welding of thick steel plates. All welded frames go through high-temperature stress relief aging to eliminate internal stress and avoid deformation during long-term operation. Core Precision Machining. Our self-owned large gantry milling machines conduct integrated milling for machine beds, beams, and work tables, controlling flatness and parallelism within micron tolerance. Auxiliary Precision Machining. Lathes and machining centers finish spindle housings, screw bases, and transmission parts. Precision components are delivered to standardized assembly lines. Professional technicians install linear guides, precision racks, servo drives, and full CNC control systems, together with waterproof, dustproof, and circulating cooling systems. Every machine undergoes a 72-hour continuous no-load and heavy-load stone cutting simulation test before delivery, inspecting transmission, spindle, and control system stability. Only machines passing all precision and function tests are stored for shipment. Standardized quality records are kept for full traceability of every unit. Our 4-core machines satisfy full stone processing demands. Flat engravers for 2D relief and lettering. Rotary 3D carvers for stereo sculptures. Multi-axis bridge saws for slab cutting and countertop chamfering. Diamond wire saws for quarry blocks and special shaping. All machines work with granite, marble, quartz, and other stone materials. Our machines are exported worldwide with container shipment and multi-language systems. We provide remote after-sales service, on-site training, lifelong spare parts, and customized machines, sincerely welcoming global agents.